Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to add text to Instagram story in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Select any picture that you want to add in your story. Then tap on the text icon at the top. Now write the text that you desire. You can edit the text font by swiping the menu at the top to the right. You can also change the color of the text, add animation, add highlights, and many more. After you're done, you can adjust the size and location of the text. You can post it on your story after you're satisfied. And that is how to add text to Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.